hirap na hirap siya kay Geraldine.
Yes. Correct. At saka nung nagsasalita si Miss Geraldine, yung accent niya talaga. Parang hihimatayin ako.
Ako din, kahapon pa naninikip yung dibdib ko.
Pero di ba si Miss Geraldine na Ilocano din? Di ba?
Yeah. Actually, she's more comfortable. Yung ano. Pero pag English talaga with all the slang and the twang, you know?
Yes.
Paano naman, di ba kagagaling nila ng Isabela?
I know, yeah. So talagang Ilocano talaga doon.
Okay, ayan, we'll start with the Q&A na, of course. Ayan, simulan natin. Sir, introduce po natin ang pangalan ng ating pong news. Kung saan po tayo. Thank you.
First to Ma'am Rhea, Ma'am Joey Pavia, editor of Central Zone Business Week. Ma'am, sa tagal na namin tinusundan, following your products, most of your endorsers are artists. This time, parang diverting na to content creator like Ma'am. Why, and what's the reason behind this?
Napansin ko po kasi sa kanya, nung last time talaga na pumunta siya dito, to be honest, I did not pay her anything. Natuwa lang talaga ako kasi addict din kaming dalawa sa bag. Parang ganon. So parang ganon nag-start lang. Kasi ako po yung type ng tao, napansin niyo, hindi talaga ako namimilit na gamitin niyo yung produkto ko. Kaya talagang bago muna nila i-endorse, gusto ko na gamitin mo kasi mas totoo eh. Mas makikita ng tao yung sincerity at totoong ginagamit mo siya. So ganon, parang getting to know lang. Kasi sabi ko, Ading, I'm a fan, na sobrang overwhelming kasi grabing schedule niya. Pumunta po siya dito sa Pampanga. Tapos natuwa kami. Tapos sabi ko, di naman madamot tong batang to. Nakailang ako pa yung nauumay. Tama na, nakakahiya. I'm a very private person. Wow, private. Diba sinasabi ko, hindi man, gawin mo to, ganyan-ganyan. Na hindi siya madamot, na super post siya about me na, parang ngayon lang ako literal na nakilala. I only had 200,000 followers on Facebook. Nadagdagan ako ng 15,000 agad. Yes, parang very effective siya na endorser for me talaga. At mismo nagsabi, Manang, even my cousins are using the Zero, the June, gumaganon sila yung mga binigay mo mga sabon-sabon nga eh. Yan na lang yung gagamitin ko, sabi ko, sige, when you get back. Ayan, tapos nagkatotoo na nga. Pero nauna talaga kaming naging friends online. Yun.
Follow up po kay Ma'am Geraldine. Ma'am Geraldine, how come you are not just endorsing but using the products of Beauty Derm?
Because kasi noon, what do you call this one? I really had a very not a very nice skin, diba? Tapos so my cousins actually has started it. Like I didn't even know until one of my cousins because he's got a very bad acne and then he started using it. And so I said maybe I'm gonna try it out too because I really had a very dry skin and it's like a combination of dry and oily skin. So I was like, maybe I'm gonna try it out. So I tried it out and then I didn't even know that it's Ate Reyes. So and then we came here in April and then she was like gusto niya pumunta sa meet and greet tapos sabi ko gano'n hindi kita maaasikaso.
Yes, sabi niya sigurado ka man na maraming tao sa market. Hindi mo store naman ako doon. Hindi lang ako, bakit? Sabi niya sa mga staff, sigurado ka hindi ka naman nag-a-attend ng mga fan meet. Hindi nga, gusto kong makilala si Ading. Sabi niya, no, I'll go there. Promise? Ganon. Tapos pumunta siya 8 a.m.? Katutulog ko pa lang noon. Dumating siya talagang nakaganon yung mata ko. Para lang makilala siya. Pero dahil nag-enjoy kami, na late na siya sa next appointment niya, alauna na siya umalis. Diba? Ganon na agad yung bonding namin ni Ading ko. And then, sabi nga namin, dami nagko-comment sa skin niya. Mas maganda yung skin niya pag walang makeup. Sobrang dewy. Dahil nagko-comment na, uy, ang ganda. Di ba bare face siya pag nagpo-post siya, sabi natin, i-reveal natin soon kung bakit Korean ang skin mo. At ba't hindi ka nagme-makeup pag nagpo-post ka ng mga materials mo online.
Oh, yeah.
Maraming salamat, sir. Next question, dire-diretso tayo from Miss Rose Garcia.
Ayan na, hello Miss Geraldine. Yes. How do you feel na, ayun nga, endorser ka na after nung first time niyo palang nagkita ni Miss Ray, kumbaga, na-expect mo ba to, itong mga nangyayari ngayon? And follow up ko na rin, anong comment nila Josh, your husband, dito sa mga magagandang opportunity na nangyayari sa inyo?
Like me personally, I'm very, very happy. And then actually Josh doesn't even know na pupunta kami dito. Sinabi ko sa kanya, nag-story ako kahapon. Tapos sabi niya, why are you doing photo shoots? Sabi niya gano'n. Tapos sabi ko, doing something. Sabi ko gano'n, just stay tuned. Sabi ko gano'n. Tapos sinabi ko sa kanya, ayun guys, sabi niya, bakit wala kami? Like, well, I wanted to. Kasi gusto niyang mag-drive from Ifugao hanggang here. Tapos gusto niyang makita yung face daw niya sa NLEX. Sabi ko, Kaya ano. Pero ano siya, he's very, very happy. Like, you know, even Nemo, like I was telling Nemo about it, but he kind of like doesn't know what's going on, but he knows, like, he's got a, like, you know, he's got a very little idea on like what's going on.
Ayun,
And
having
it's
your
like,
having your first billboard, how do you feel?
Uy, very exciting kasi nga dream ko ngayon nung bata ako, diba? Like, hindi ko naman alam na ano, ganun pala yung feeling, no, na ganun yung nangyayari. Talaga ano, hindi ka makapaniwala. Yung nanay ko umiiyak eh. Like, you know, kasi ano, like super proud siya sa nangyayari sa akin. Like if my grandma was here, because it's my grandma who raised me up and my grandfather, like she would have been happy. Like she would have like. I remember when we started to go like viral online, we had our first TV interview, and then she was still alive. I was in Australia at that time, and then she was still here, right? So she was in front of the TV. Like I had a video from my cousin, they sent it to me, and then she was like crying there, kahit hindi niya naririnig kasi she was like, you know, she was deaf. But then umiiyak siya. So ngayon, like I can see na ano na she would have been so happy. Kaya, you know, kaya ano. Anyway, I know. I'm trying. But anyway, I'm just very happy. I know like she's watching us from there anyway, so.
Okay, congrats. Siyempre kami, nagpo-follow talaga kami sa mga content nyo ever seen.
Aww.
So, doon sa mga hindi pa masyadong familiar, ano sa tingin mo yung naging secret ng The Blackman family na naging ganito kayong ka-successful as a content creator?
I think you just gotta be yourself. Like hindi ka wag kang maglagay ng content na, you know, kasi for example, maglagay ka ng content na ganito hindi relatable sa'yo, like the next few days or next few weeks that you're gonna be making content, it's not consistent anymore. Like you would be having different contents na ganito ganyan. But then if you're consistent of what you do, like I think people will start liking you. Like we started with nothing anyway. Like we didn't have any followers. Like because me, pinag-aralan, like you know, makikita mo naman yan, mapag-aaralan mo siya. For example, because Josh and I started with like you marrying a Filipina, tapos ano lang yung audience namin noon is like mainly Philippines lang. Tapos hindi na siya, yung ibang mga videos namin hindi nagva-viral. Tapos ngayon kapag same yung contents na ginagawa mo, it's all about like family and then like, you know, about marriage. Then I think like kapag consistent yun, I think you're gonna grow because people would know. Like hindi ko alam na ano, like you know, I used to like not even like, you know, na sinasabi ko yung name ko sa ano sa social media, like you know, it's just a wife, like you know, what do you call this one, like dinidescribe ko lang yung sarili ko, like me, I'm a wife and she's a husband. Pero minsan sa mga videos, tinatawag akong Geraldine ni Josh, tinatawag ko rin Josh. Tapos makikita mapapansin ng mga tao talaga kapag they start to love you, talagang alam na nila yung every details, kaya nga yung nung nagpa-suspense effect kayo ng bakit curly yung hair, tapos ako agad-agad yung kaya tapos marami ring nagtatanong kasi kapag lumalabas kami, like people would like, you know, what are you doing next? Ganito, ganyan. Abangan.
Last na, syempre sa Australia ka naka-base. So as we all know, maraming mga products, skincare product, maraming mga talagang branded na mga skincare. So ano yung naging effect, ano yung naging difference sa'yo para ma-convince ka na itong serum ng Beauty Derm is one of the best? Or
I love it. So I think people started noticing my skin after like, you know, after maybe like few months ago nung naglalagay ako ng mga beauty products ganyan. Pero tapos marami ring nag-o-offer na ganyan. Nung nakita nila yung face ko, marami nang nag-o-offer. Actually before I talked to Ateria, like a huge brand here in the Philippines offered me the same thing, and I was like kasi nga may pinagsamahan na kami dati, like I really like it because we're Ilocanos, and then we're like kind of like, you know, sobrang nag-kulit kami. Kaya sabi ko, I'm gonna go with Ate Rhea, like she's so nice din kasi. Kaya but you know, there have been a lot of like offers from Australia as well. It's not like Filipino brands like, you know, doing skincare, but I did, because I wasn't ready at that time. Like I don't know what am I gonna do. I don't know what like, you know, what am I gonna portray online. So that's why hindi pa ako nagsasay yes. Right, totoo yun.
Di ba, bongga? Ang daming mga international offers, pero Beauty Derm ang talagang nasa puso ni Miss Geraldine. Rose, maraming salamat.